Welcome back, my beautiful subscribers. It's your one and only Souls Needed to help teach you all the top tips and secrets on how to be a high-valued feminine woman. So just kick back, relax, and let's walk together in discovering the power of being a lady. And remember, you never know who might be crushing on you. XOXO, a feminine female. There is one thing that a highly feminine woman absolutely cannot neglect, and that is our personal hygiene and self-care. Today, I am giving you the top tips and secrets on the best way to take care of you. So grab that handy notebook and write these tips down. Tip 1, hydrate. The key to maintaining your body functioning at its best is to drink enough water. Aim for a gallon of water every day. A secret I utilize is a refillable water bottle, especially if your day is busy. Add some fruit or herbs to your water. This can give a burst of taste and minerals. It's crucial to stay hydrated throughout the day, so don't wait until you're dehydrated to drink water. A healthy body and mind are built on hydration, so keep that in mind. Tip 2, regularly exercise. Exercise is one of the best ways to maintain both your physical and mental health. Try finding an activity you enjoy, whether it's dancing, yoga, or running. Make time for 30 minutes a day of exercise. Your mood can be improved, tension and anxiety reduced. In the long run, maintaining your body through exercise will pay off in your curves and looks. And always praise yourself when you achieve your exercise goals. Tip 3, sleep enough. One of the most overlooked necessities. It's important to have a decent night's sleep for your general health and well-being. If you want to wake up feeling high valued and prepared for the day, aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Establish a regular sleep ritual. No screens 30 minutes before bed. Instead, try relaxing methods like deep breathing, meditation, or reading. And don't forget to prepare your bedroom to be a good sleeping space. Maintain a cool, dark, and quiet environment in your bedroom to promote restful sleep. Do not forget that adequate sleep is necessary for a healthy body, mind, and spirit. Tip 4, eat a healthy diet. What you eat directly affects your energy levels, mood, and overall health. You need to eat a balanced diet if you want to be healthy and happy overall. Your diet should contain a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. As much as you can, stay away from processed meals, sweets, and saturated fats. Include wholesome fats in your diet, such as avocado, almonds, and olive oil. But don't fall into the trap of skipping meals or restricting calories, as this can negatively impact your health and mood. Tip 5, practice good hygiene. A feminine female has great hygiene. She's clean and free from infections. She regularly bathes to wash away sweat and grime from her skin. Biggest secret, she exfoliates often. It helps get rid of dead skin cells and maintains a smooth appearance. There are a lot of products and skincare routines out there, but keep it simple and find one that works best for you. Another top tip, do not forget, always pee after sex and clean any pleasure-related items to prevent infections. Remember, taking care of your hygiene is essential for your physical and emotional well-being. Tip 6, pamper yourself. It's important for both your physical and mental well-being to give yourself some well-deserved attention. Spend a pleasant day at the spa or just take a bath at home. Get a massage, manicure, or pedicure. Just enhance your natural attractiveness. And don't be afraid to change your look or try something new. Engage in activities that bring you joy. Celebrate you always. Just enjoy life. And that's all for now, my lovely subscribers. I'll talk to you soon in the next video. And never forget, a high-valued feminine woman takes care of all parts of her being. Especially when you never know who might be crushing on you. XOXO, a feminine female.